How to customize Wix product page. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on customizing your Wix product page. In this video, we will guide you through the process of customizing the product pages on your Wix website, allowing you to showcase your product in the best way possible and increase your sales. Wix provides a powerful and flexible e-commerce platform, but customizing the product page can be a bit daunting for some users. In this tutorial, we will show you how to customize the product page on your Wix website, including how to add custom product description, images, and pricing information, how to customize the layout and design of your product pages, and even how to preview and publish your changes. Whether you are just starting out with your online store or looking to improve your existing product page, customizing your Wix product page can help attract and engage your customers and increase your sales. Now, the first thing you're going to do is simply go to your Wix website account. Now, this is where you would be able to see and manage your different website. For example, this is an example website, and we would be able to see the different actions we could do with the specific website, such as edit site, rename site, view live site, and many more. You could also click on duplicate site, move to folder, and move to trash. Now, what we're simply going to do right now is we're going to click on create a new site. Now, it's going to redirect us to this page where it's going to ask us what kind of platform do we want to use to create our website. We're simply going to choose Wix. And the next question we would be having is what kind of website are we creating? And what we're simply going to choose is online store over here. And it will also show us specific types of online store. If you have a specific type, for example, we are a clothing store, you could select clothing store option over here. You could also select more options such as accessory store like we saw earlier. And as you can see, there's also more specific answers over here that is related to clothing store. Now, after choosing what type of online store you want to create, you're simply going to click on next. And over here, this is where we will name our product store. We're simply going to name it product name, and we're going to click on next. And over here, this is where we will be able to see the different widgets or apps that we can add into our online store. Right now, we have the built-in online store option over here. We also have a chat function for our site visitors. There's also forms to get information, subscribers, and payments using form. There's also Instagram feed where we will be able to display our pictures and videos from Instagram. There's also a lot more like blogs, booking, events, portfolio, online programs, music, video, pricing plans, and many more. You could use any of this option depending on what type of online store you want to have, and you could add as many as you want. We're simply going to stick with what is recommended for us, and we're going to click on next. Now, after that, we would be sent to this page over here. We could go to our dashboard to set up the backstage of our store, or we could click on these options on the right side where we can start designing our website. We could click on begin with a template so that we would be able to customize a designer made template and edit it on our own, or we could get Wix to create our website for us. Now, what we're going to do later on is begin with templates, but for now, we're going to click with go to dashboard. Now, like I said earlier, this is our backstage of our website. And we would be able to see here on the home page the things we need to do to set up our store. Our first step is update our store type, which we did earlier. We could update it once again by clicking on this option on the right side. The next steps that we are required to do is to add our first product, set up payment method, set up shipping and delivery fee, design our product, connect to a custom domain if you want, and then get founded by customers on Google. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add our products over here. You can also see over here on the left side, we can see the different activities happening on our website. We can also check out the site and app, the store products, which we will go to in a bit, the orders, gift cards, contacts, communications, automations, and many more. Now, under store products over here, this is where we will be able to edit the different things that we are seeing in our store products. For example, we are currently on the product page over here. These are all sample products generated by Wix so that we would have a content in our website. As you can see, there are multiple types of products added here. We would be able to see the name, the type, which is either physical or a digital product, the SKU, the price, or if it is in stock. We could promote this product by clicking on this option over here. We could also hide it from our online store, and we could edit it by clicking on these three dots over here. We're going to click on edit, and over here, this is where we will be able to edit the different contents of a specific product. For example, the name of our product, we're going to base it out of this image that we have right now. For example, we're going to name it ceramic flower vase. Just like that, that will be our name for the specific product. We could add our description for our product over here. We could add different text formatting using these options over here. There's also additional info section like product info, return and refund info, shipping info, and we could add more info section by clicking on this option over here. This is also where we will be able to customize the pricing. For example, right now it is price 85. We could turn it into 100, just like that. We could add an on sale option over here, and we would be able to add a discount to our products. For example, we're going to add a 5% discount, just like that, and the sale price would be 95%. There's also a show price unit option over here, and there is also cost of goods, profits, and margins over here. We could add a cost of goods over here. For example, we're going to add 50 as the cost to create our product over here. We would be able to see how much we are profiting and how much our margin is. We could also add custom text to our product by clicking this option over here, and you would be able to add a text field into your product. There is also a character limit over here, and you would be able to either delete this text field by clicking on this option over here, or you could add another one by simply clicking on it once again. There's also product options over here. By clicking this, we would be able to type in the size and weight. For example, we're going to type in color, and we would be able to add different color choices for this specific product. For example, we have a black color, and we have a white color and a purple color. And by clicking on add, this will add different variation for our specific products over here. And there's also more options such as inventory over here. We would be able to track our inventory by enabling this option over here, and we could add in how much of the product we have on hand right now. For example, 50 products in our inventory. We could set our shipping weight to 2 kilograms, just like that. There's also pre-order options over here and subscription options over here. We could also add an alternative text for our images, or we could remove all images and videos. If you want to add more images for your product, you can simply click on this big addition button over here, and you would be able to upload your image or either a video into this product section over here. If you don't like the photo, you can simply click on this option over here, which deletes the image, or you could crop and edit the specific image by clicking on this option over here. Now, after customizing your product, you can simply click on save over here on the top right, and the product that you have customized would be saved over here. And as you can see, our name has been changed to ceramic flower vase. The type is still physical. We have the SKU over here. We have the price over here and the discounted price. And we can see how much inventory do we have right now. There's also more options over here on the top where we can export your physical products to our CSV file. We could import multiple products into our store, and we could rearrange our order of our products from the category page. If you want to add more products, you can simply click on this option over here, and you would be able to see the same information that we saw earlier when editing this page over here, where you would need to enter images, the product type, the type of product it is, the SKU, the pricing, and how much you have as an inventory. Now you can click over here on the inventory side, on the left side. This is where you would be able to see how much of each product do you have. Right now, most of these are in stock options, or you can click on out of stock options over here. Or you could do the same thing we did earlier, where we would be able to enter specific values for our specific product. We could also edit it right directly over here. For example, our 50 inventory is down to 40 inventory, just like that, and this will be saved. You would also have the options to back in stock requests over here, find products to sell. You could also check out the orders, the gift cards, and many more. As you can see here on the top, we have this notification where we haven't connected a payment method yet. And because of this, customers won't be able to pay you. To add a payment method, you can simply click on this hyperlink that is provided over here. And this will redirect us to this page where we can set up how we can accept payments from our online store. Now you can do whatever you need to do over here. And right now what we're going to do is we're going to check out our website, what it looks like, and how we can build our own website. We're going to click on the design website over here on the top right. And we will be shown this option where if we want Wix to create a website for us or if we want to customize a design template. We're going to click on pick a template. And over here, this is where we will be able to find the different templates for an online store that we can use and edit for our own. You could choose any of this option. It is completely up to you. You could even single out your preferences over here. Right now, we are seeing fashion and clothing. You could click on jewelry and accessories to focus on that specific type of online store. You could also choose arts and craft, home and decor, and many more options. We're simply going to choose a random one for now. For example, this t-shirt store option. We're going to click on edit. And we would be redirected to this editing page of Wix. This is where we will be able to edit the visual part of our store. Right now, we can see this is our different products that we are seeing right now. We could add elements by clicking on this add element side on the left side. You could add text, images, buttons, strip, decorative, or anything you want to add into your website. There's also a specific section for a store over here. And you would be able to add the grid product gallery as we are seeing over here. There's also a slider product gallery, related product gallery, shopping cart, and many more options. We could simply choose any options over here that you would like to add to our website. For example, this currency converter, we're simply going to click this and drag into our page. We're going to choose where we would like to add it. For example, above our product page over here. And just like that, the currency converter would appear over here on the top of our product so that they would be able to see how much our product would cost with the different currency. We could add also more things like add to cart button, login bar, just like that, and many more. You could also click on this once again and we would be able to click on manage products. And this will show us a mini dashboard where we would be able to do the same thing we did earlier, but through our website editor so that we wouldn't waste time going back to the dashboard once again and then going back here. Now you can simply customize your store depending on what template you chose. You could also create a template from scratch if you don't want to use any template. And after editing your page, after finalizing your product information, anything you can customize, you can simply click over here to preview your website and you would be able to see what your website would look like in a live preview. This is what it would look like after you publish your store. For example, we're going to click on our ceramic flower vase over here and we would be redirected to the page that is specifically for this specific product. And over here, we would be able to see like the name, the SKU, the pricing, the different variant of colors, how much we would buy, add to cart option over here. There's also the product info, return and refund policy, and shipping info. Now, if you're satisfied with your website, you can simply click over here on the publish and you would be able to publish your website. And if you are not, you can simply click on go back to editor and you would be able to edit things that you are not happy with. Right now, we're going to click on publish. And just like that, our website is published and live online. We could simply click on view site over here. And right now, our store is officially online. We could do the same thing we did earlier. For example, click on the ceramic vase over here. We would be able to see our product over here. We could enter our variants over here, then click on add to cart. And we would be able to add our specific product to our cart and we would be able to click on view cart. And this is where we will be able to check out our product. As you can see, our shipping is currently free. You would be able to edit this on the dashboard that we saw earlier. And that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.